So yo, I was just looking through, my wallet, and I only have about $5 left. It's not really enough to get enough Yingling for both of us, so I was figuring on getting like a 6 of butter or whatever. Does that sound good?
That's fine.
Alright, you think I could borrow the keys to your car?
Why do you need the keys to my car?
I don't have a car, motherfucker. You want beer or not?
Don't you remember what happened the last time you drove my car?
Please, so I run your car.
I just dropped about 25 G's on another car.
My insurance gave you that.
I'm just gonna hand you my fucking keys to my car so you can drive it?
My insurance paid for it. What's the big deal?
Let me tell you something, motherfucker. Okay? Let me tell you something.
Dude.
Ask for my car again. I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Where did you get a fucking knife?